What to learn to be considered a full-stack JavaScript developer in 2020. So hey, what's up guys? In this video, I will be sharing with you web technologies that you need to learn in 2020 to become a full-stack JavaScript developer. In case you are new here, my name is Charles, a final year software engineering student at the Technical University of Kenya. The goal of creating this channel is to share with you my life as a software engineer and mainly what I think will help you to grow and stay motivated as a developer. When you are a developer, you are either a front-end developer, a back-end developer, or a full-stack developer. A front-end developer is the person who implements the design, while the back-end developer programs what goes on behind the scenes, like APIs and databases. A full-stack developer is an engineer who works with both the front-end and the back-end of an application. In the beginning, JavaScript was a language for web client or browser, and then came the ability to use JavaScript on the web server. A full-stack JavaScript developer is a person who can develop both the front-end and the back-end of an application using JavaScript only. So, on the front-end, you will still need to have a basic understanding of HTML and CSS. HTML helps developers to create the page structure, while CSS helps them to design these pages. CSS is used to describe the presentation of the web pages such as colors, layouts, and fonts. For fast development, you may need to have an understanding of at least one CSS framework, e.g. Bootstrap. It is much easier to learn a CSS framework as it involves knowing what kind of design various classes gives. You don't have to know these classes on your fingertips, as you can always reference their documentation. After this, you are ready to jump right into JavaScript. Having a very good understanding of JavaScript will save you a lot of time when you start learning a framework or library. Try to learn JavaScript by creating several projects like a to-do app or a portfolio in order to have a better understanding. Next is learning a JavaScript framework or library. There are many JavaScript frameworks and libraries, but the most popular ones are Angular, React, and Vue. You don't have to learn all of them. Just choose one and stick to it. I personally suggest React or Vue because they are much easier to run than Angular. And that is all you need to run on the front end. By now, you can try your luck of landing a front-end JavaScript job on Fiverr or Upwork. Now, it is time to learn some backend technologies. The main job here is to know how to write web services and APIs to be accessed by the clients on the front end. You will need to run Node.js. There are also several Node.js frameworks, but the most common one is Express.js. Next is deciding a database to work with. Node.js supports all kinds of databases, no matter if it is a relational database or a NoSQL database. However, NoSQL databases like MongoDB are the best fit with Node.js. So, that's it for this video. This journey is not totally smooth and easy. You will need to be passionate about this and take your time to learn each technology at a time. Project-based learning will be the best way to do this. Don't try to learn everything at once, but focus on each technology at a time. At the end of it all, everything will make sense. Thank you for watching and remember to support my channel by smashing subscribe.